got here. Okay, it's a cute box. And get gorgeous skin with natural, biocompatible skincare that works. Pure, potent, proven. Okay. Okay, so this is their Pure Radiance Oil. Get your skin right. Clear Pure Radiance Oil from True Botanicals. Made with safe ingredients. Let's see. Comes with a dropper. Oh, let's see. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. This bottle comes with a dropper. Okay. And you can massage 2 to 10 drops on your skin to moisturize, and it gives the best sheen. Look at that sheen. That's beautiful. I love it. Seriously, who doesn't love their skin glowing? This is beautiful. It's a beautiful sheen and shimmer that your skin has. Like, oh my gosh, you've got to let me know if you try this. Let me know in the comment section below. I've been waiting for this product to come, and I'm so excited to get it because I'm gonna be shimmering and shining. Apply some to the neck area. I'm gonna have to buy another bottle. Look at that. I'm gonna have to buy another bottle. I love it. Okay, so do me a favor and follow me at StyleBySheena and visit SheenaAaron.com. Later.